Well, today we're down here in the Graham garage, and we have a few products from StarknightMT. You can read that through the. Yep. They were kind enough to send me this roof bag. So we'll open it up. I've never had it open yet. We got a roof bag. Basically goes up in the corner of my cage under my roof like. So we're gonna get that installed. We got the StarknightMT bag here now. So we're gonna install that. Mark, if you wanna go around that side and we'll show everyone what we're gonna do here. So basically, this bag will just go around with these straps and the buckles. It's gonna go right there on the roof. So we'll get that, we gotta loosen the roof off, I think, to get these buckles around this side possibly. And we'll get her installed and show you how it looks.
Nice.
Okay, so we got this roof bag up in here. We're gonna do the last strap up here. Just like that. Then we got a nice zipper here. Got some nice little tie straps on them. Open them up. Nice little compartment there.
You can kick your chips there, Don.
Oh, I guess there's one underneath too. Yeah. Yeah, you could put our ownerships up here, our insurance slips, maybe my wallet, my GoPro batteries. Yeah, that'll work pretty good. So, and this is the phone holder. So it's spring loaded. These are adjustable out to the side. And we'll just get my phone in there, see how wide it's got to be. That there's how you take it in and out. Little rubber pads on them to protect your phone. And this little knob here will go on the back. And this is supposed to go around your cage, your corner post. And then this little arm goes on it. Mark's installing the ram mount here.
Yeah, it bolts through there.
Yeah.
Just remember sure hit gravity because the bolt slides in amongst the tray. There's a cutout that's bolt that retains the nut. So you just put it on here. Now you want to get it so you get it where you want it to turn. I guess I'll do it this way. Right. There we can get her. I guess we'll figure right there. And Don can figure out how he goes. Tightens up, something like that.
Yeah, that's all there is to it. You got your phone on you, Mark?
I can get it.
Seeing how I'm videoing, if mine's kind of hard to...
I was going to say it's kind of hard. We didn't set it for mine, but it should fit.
Should still fit.
There you go.
Boom. There it is.
Greatest cat that ever lived. There you go.
There you go. Yeah, I want to thank StarkNight. This phone holder here works absolutely amazing. Where I mounted it there, I can have my charge port right there. And yeah, works great. Nice and sturdy. Like, again, you know, it's on the arm there, so it's moving a little bit, but it's not going anywhere. Solid. So, this roof bag up here works awesome. I carry my my GoPro batteries in it. Microfiber cloths for wiping off the windshield and whatnot. Works really, really well. Really well.